Hello everybody. So today's a really special day. The Bentley has been brought down by its owner, and we can have a real nice look at all the interior woodwork now it's all been fitted in. So Jeremy,
hi.
Great to see you.
Thank you.
Really good to see you.
Thank you.
Yeah, she's a beauty. Tell us about her.
So this is a Green Label Bentley. It's when Rolls-Royce and Bentley were together. They put together a car very similar to the Rolls-Royce model. It's got a BMW-based engine with a BMW gearbox, which is more sophisticated maybe than the 6.63 litre engine with the old GM gearbox. And I always wanted one of these. I wanted the colour, Cotswold interior, with sort of the British racing green exterior, and I came across one recently at auction, and I thought it'd be my renovation project for the year. Mechanically it was very sound, and it's the woodwork that I wanted to be treated, the UV damage, etc. And I came across Stephen purely by chance on YouTube, and he actually doesn't live too far away from me. It's only about half an hour, 45-minute drive. So I ventured down here in good faith, and I said, what can we do? And he pointed out that I only wanted the sills done at first, and he goes, well, if you do the sills you're going to miss all the centre dash, do you remember that?
Yeah.
And so then we ended up into a bigger job where we took out all the wood and I passed it on to you.
Yeah.
So what did you do?
So yeah, the sun UV damage had cracked all the polish on top. If you go back in the posts, and I'll dig up some photos, you'll see how it was when it first came. So carefully remove all of the old lacquer and started the re-lacquering process, and also put in the gorgeous little gold leaf flying bee motifs. That really does make it, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Putting those in.
It was actually, those were actually a additional extra, but of course you can't get them anymore, so we're lucky to have found a gold lithograph company to identity match those, and you managed to install them.
Yeah.
Great.
It is lovely, that colour, isn't it? It really
With the richness of the colour, because you can now tell that it was very much bleached, and now it's got more depth to it, which is fantastic.
You've got the proper colour of the veneer showing through the lacquer now.
And the book matching, is that what they call it? Book matching?
That's it. Yeah, book matched. Yeah, I mean, when they made this back in '99, isn't it? This one.
Yep.
Yeah, I mean, they did a stunning job with that veneer. I mean, well, the actual cores themselves. The actual solid wood cores, the work that's gone into the manufacture of those was amazing. So this is going up to a friend of mine, Rich March.
That's right.
To have the leatherwork detailed now, yes?
That's correct. So yeah, the backs are good. It's the fronts that I want a little bit of work on. There's a little bit of cracking on the bolster here. Otherwise, all in good nick, but it needs a bit of feeding.
Yeah.
And a bit of TLC, and then the car will be pretty much mint.
Yeah. Rich knows his stuff with this.
Yes.
I've seen his work. It's absolutely stunning.
Very good.
Well, great. Right. Thank you so much for bringing her down.
No, thank you. I mean, I have to say, you're always going with intrepidation when you meet people on YouTube, and when you actually gave me confidence when I came to see you in your workshop, and some of the work that you've done.
Yeah.
And I think what I was amazed is just the attention to detail. It's a very fiddly job.
Yeah.
There's lots of bezels and dials to work through, lots of buttons and switches to work around. But it's flawless almost, and that's what I'm most impressed by. And I do recommend Stephen. I mean, your work is fantastic.
Thanks, Jeremy.
Thank you.
Great to see you.
No, thank you.
Thanks for coming down today.
Pleasure. Thank you.